The large lake of Alto Lerma covered approximately 27,000 hectares of the Toluca Valley in central Mexico about a century ago. However, currently there remain only 3 separated wetlands, which together sum less than 3,000 hectares covered with water, aquatic plants, and the species that live in them. The fact that these wetlands have been isolated from other wetlands and water bodies for thousands of years promoted that several species diverged from their ancestors until they evolved into different species, such as the Lerma grackle, now extinct. One of the most remarkable inhabitants of these wetlands is the lake Lerma salamander or Lerma Axolotl.
The Lerma Axolotl is an amphibian of the genus Ambystoma. It is endemic to the Cienegas de Lerma. That is, it only lives in these wetlands and it is not found anywhere else in the world. Lerma Axolotl has a remarkable regeneration capability, which is very important in medicine and biotechnology because it can provide with significant insights about regeneration processes in humans and other species.
Due to the fast degradation of the wetlands of Alto Lerma, the Lerma axolotl, along with other species, face a green future. This is the reason why researchers from the Universidad Autónoma Metropolitana, UAM-Lerma, aim to elaborate a strategy to recover and ensure the conservation of the Lerma axolotl and its habitat. This is of such importance that international institutions such as the Zoological Society of London and the Mohammed bin Zayed Species Conservation Fund are interested in the implementation of this conservation strategy. They have provided funds for the research as well as training on how to handle Lerma axolotls to take samples for further analysis.
That's okay, actually.
I think that's right.
What is it?
120.
Currently, the Lerma axolotl is considered in danger of extinction according to the Mexican law, and as critically endangered by the International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources. The fact that this amphibian is under these conservation categories is in part because of the reduced size of its populations. For instance, local fishermen comment that years ago they used to get a lot of Lerma axolotls in their fishing nets and that now it is very rare to catch them while fishing for other species. In addition, there is a serious problem of water pollution. Many of the towns near the wetlands have sewage discharges into the water bodies, polluting and degrading the habitat of the Lerma axolotl and other species.
The research project for the conservation of the Lerma axolotl, that is coordinated by Dr. Carla Pelserrano, started in 2013 with the aim to generate an updated distribution map of this amphibian, as well as estimate the number of Lerma axolotls left in the wetlands, evaluate their health condition, and determine the causes why the Lerma axolotls and their habitat are declining. The help from students and other researchers has been important to capture Lerma axolotls, to take samples for genetic and disease analysis, and to generate the distribution map of these species. This project will help in the recovery of Lerma axolotl. However, it is necessary that these ecosystems are in good condition so the species and the people that live around them can keep doing it for centuries, enjoying all what the wetlands have to offer.
Le traemos un poco más de información para que sepas cómo se llama, lo que tiene que hacer.
Eso, para que ya...
The recovery of Lerma axolotl and the wetlands is only possible with the support and participation of the local people, because they are the ones that know the wetlands and depend directly on them. The goal of the researchers at the UAM-Lerma is also to recognize the traditional knowledge and to contribute to a sustainable use of resources so people can continue living from the wetlands.
¿Y cómo lo cocinan ustedes?
Lo fuimos sin tamal. Cuando antes no tenía tanta hierba.